Well, now I see Black+Decker, but then I see a part of a name I don't understand, Pria, and I don't see one saw, one tool on the desk. So Mike is going to tell us what Pria. Am I saying it right?
You got it. So Pria is by Black+Decker, and it's funny you say that. You know, Black+Decker is part of Stanley Black+Decker, and the company itself has been around for 176 years. And you know us by a tools and appliance company, which you should. We've been around a while. But the interesting thing is we've also been in healthcare. Typically, we're in the more B2B enterprise safety and security applications, but we really wanted to get into the consumer market, you know, the aging in place space where people are having a lot of issues, specifically caring for mom and dad. Over 10,000 people turn 65 a day, so we developed a medication dispenser alongside our partner, Pillow Health. And Black+Decker is a brand that you know, and it has been sitting on your kitchen counter, and it's a brand people trust, which is why we came out with a new sort of appliance for our, target.
Okay, so tell us what it does.
So it stores and dispenses 28 doses worth of medication.
You mean the pills are in here?
The pills are in here, yes.
Can you show me the back?
Absolutely. So the back of the device looks like this. So it stores 28 doses. A dose is a period of time. So say Monday morning. It could store anywhere from 4 to 12 pills depending on the size. So if you picture your 7-day pill container, you'll fill that on Sunday and then go back the following Sunday for mom. If mom takes meds twice a day, we'll actually store her pills for 2 weeks. Now, the meds will sit in here, but the device will actually wake up. Let's say mom takes meds at 8 o'clock in the morning. The device will wake up and will say, hey, mom, uses facial recognition to recognize mom that she's in front of the device.
Well, is there an alarm or something? Or
Yep.
It rings an alarm?
It does. So it audibly sounds in the kitchen as well as on her mobile phone if she has one, to let her know that it's time to take medications or take some sort of action on the device.
And so she goes up to it, and does she do anything? Do the pills come out a slot? Or
Yep. So all she needs to do is stand in front of the device. And if she uses facial recognition, it will recognize her. If she doesn't want to use that, she can type in a 4-digit PIN code. And from there, she can actually have the meds be dispensed, which will go into this cup. And it will show her on the screen what meds were supposed to come out, how many, what they look like, and a little more context around maybe, hey, make sure you drink water with this dose.
Okay, now, if I'm at work, will it notify me that mom's opened it and taken these pills?
Great question. So we don't notify you if mom does take her pills, but we do record that. More importantly, we notify you if she hasn't. So after 60 minutes, Pria will send you a message saying mom forgot to take her dose. And now from there, you could choose to send her a check-in message via the device or actually do a 2-way video call with her. She just needs to stand in front of the device, and you could talk to her through your phone and the device.
All right, so this has a camera in it. It's Wi-Fi enabled. And do you buy it outright and pay a monthly fee, or how does it go?
Good question. So right now we're running a promotion for $5.99 and $10 per month, and that's on okpria.com. Right now, the first 6 months are free for the subscription. So what that subscription includes is unlimited caregivers. So as many people as you want to invite to care for mom, unlimited video calling, and then once a month, we actually do a product update. So you'll get new features. Today you might have video calling. Tomorrow you might have radio functionality. We're going to continue to evolve Pria, and Pria will continue to learn.
Okay. Can you almost use it as Skype? I mean, like, can mom walk in front of it and
I can actually show you. So let's say I'm at work and want to give mom a call. I can actually do that. We get to be on the camera here while mom is in the kitchen. So we could just be at work and video call mom, and vice versa. Mom could call you. She could say, okay, call Mike, and the device will actually video call me while I'm at work.
Great. And is this out now or is it coming?
It's brand new to the market. Again, available at okpria.com, where we've been on the market for about 2 months.
Great. I like this. I like this a lot. I can't wait to be old. Thank you for not making a comment. Okay, this is Pria from Black+Decker.